I'm Alina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super easy and super delicious chocolate poke cake. Now for this recipe, we're only going to be using the chocolate box cake mix, the ingredients mentioned behind the box, and some milk. Let's get started. Starting off with the cake mix, measure 1/4 cup of the mix and set aside. A cake mix usually contains 3 cups of product, so don't worry. There is going to be plenty left for making the cake. In a saucepan, add the mix and about 3 tablespoons of oil or 2 tablespoons of butter. Both work just fine. Using a whisk, mix both until the two are combined. You should achieve a paste-like consistency. Turn on the flame to low-medium and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Start by adding a 1/4 cup of milk to the mixture and stirring continuously. You are looking for a white sauce consistency, runny but also thick. All in all, I added 1.5 cup of milk to achieve the perfect consistency. If you like, add in a little bit of cocoa powder for that extra chocolatey flavor. It's completely optional. Moving on to the cake, start by beating 2 eggs in a large bowl. Now add in some of the leftover cake mix. Add in a 1/3 cup of oil to the mixture and whip until combined. Now, alternating between 1 cup of milk and the leftover cake mix, whip up your cake batter to achieve the perfect consistency. Into lined and greased cake tins, regardless of the shape, pour in the batter evenly. I used a round and rectangular tin because that's what I had available. You can also use an oven-safe glass dish. Bake your cakes in a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Put your cakes in a glass dish, cutting and adjusting them to fill the bottom of the dish completely. Using a round dowel or stick, poke holes in the cake, hence the name. I used the handle of a silicone brush. Pour all of the sauce we prepared earlier over the cake, spreading evenly. The sauce will fill the holes we just poked and give the cake itself a super moist texture. Serve right away or after refrigerating for about 2 hours, which tastes the best. Garnish using anything from chocolate chips to ground almonds. Our delicious chocolate poke cake is ready. Enjoy!